This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Doreen Paes. Don't miss this home with attention to detail. Crown molding, wide baseboard, wide trim around doors and light fixtures. Split floor plan with 2 master suites. Main master has bay window, LG. Walk-in closet and second closet.or shoe closet. Close to top park, pool, hiking trails, and lakes. Electric is on hospital grid, location, close to beach, restaurants, shopping highways and hospitals. Perfect place to be in sunny Florida. For more information, review the details below or contact Doreen Paes at 772-528-4546.